Welcome, grade 8s. My name's Tom Sargent. I am the proud principal here at Walter Murray Collegiate, and we call this place, this is where life is lived. There's something for everyone. It's such an amazing place where everyone connects and fits in, and it's such a safe space. We have a tremendous teaching staff that'll do anything for you. They move mountains in the learning agenda, in the social agenda. We have a great crew of guidance counselors that really make sure that every step you take, we want to be side by side with you. We know, from grade 9 and grade 12, there's a lot of developmental years, and as I said, you come to Walter Murray, it's a safe place where you're valued and you're going to be looked after. Some of the neat things about Walter Murray, we're a school of languages. We have 4 different languages. We have German, we have Spanish, Japanese, and French. We're a comprehensive school, the only one on the east side of Saskatoon, where you can come fix a car, you can learn how to weld, electronics, the commercial cooking, where, we have a cafeteria. We make sure that the hands-on learning is as important as our SAGE learning. We have the academic gifted program here at Walter Murray we're very proud about. Once again, brings a phenomenal teaching staff and skill set to our students. We have outdoor school. We have the stock program where you're building a garage, you're out in the community. Outdoor school where you're traveling all through this great province, sleeping in tents. This place has something for everyone.
Being a Marauder means being part of something bigger than yourself.
Being a Marauder is like a pretty big honor because you're able to be part of a big family.
You got a big community, I think we have over 1,000 people, but it feels like you're nice and tight, you're nice and close.
We have so much diversity at Walter Murray, and I always say that this is a school where every single student will find a place to belong.
We have amazing school spirit. All these spirit days that we have at school, all these different events that are put on by not only the students but also the staff, and just lots of strong school spirit at this big school.
I had a bunch of sisters who went to Walter Murray, so I kind of had an idea of what the community was, and I knew that coming in right away I would feel safe here.
Walter Murray as a school in general, it has so many opportunities for different students. There's always a place to fit in. When I talk to my daughters about their time at Walter Murray, they just say how compared to any other high school, they just feel like there's just a place for everyone at Walter Murray. And the teachers, once again, and coaches create that atmosphere along with the students just by being so welcoming.
As a teacher at Walter Murray, I was really excited when my own daughter began shopping around for her high school experience. And I was so happy that she chose Walter Murray because one of my favorite things about this school is the diversity of the population. Walter Murray is like a microcosm of the larger world out there, with people who speak many different languages, come from different parts of the world. People have lots of learning abilities, and it just gives a chance for every person to find their niche for learning and friendships.
Well, the teachers, they put in so much work. They constantly go above average just to make sure that you're okay and you're comfortable.
Founded over 50 years ago, Walter Murray has a rich history and many traditions. For example, students who participate in the musical have the chance to leave their mark on the school by writing their names across these walls. As well, the SRC hosts multiple events such as the haunted house during Halloween, where we pass through these tunnels.
One of the neat things about Walter Murray that we're proud about is our athletic program. We want all students to get involved in an area that they're passionate about. Our cross-country team has won 14 out of the last 15 city championships, a couple provincial championships. Our basketball team is considered one of the top around right now. Our football team did some amazing things, but as I said, our sporting program is exceptional.
We're super fortunate here at Walter Murray. We have one of the best facilities in the city. Very few high schools have 2 full-size basketball courts, which enables us to do so many different things with our phys ed classes, but also in terms of our hosting abilities. We have a full-size weight room that we've put a lot of energy and resources into in the last few years to make it a really top of the line facility for our student athletes to be able to access before, during lunch, and after school. And then we have another space in our building that really very few schools have, and that's a wrestling room. So it's a dedicated room that has wrestling mats down all year long that we can use for our phys ed classes, but it's also our team room for our cross-country team as well as our wrestling team. In terms of teams that we offer at Walter Murray, we offer absolutely everything. So if there's a sport or an activity that you're looking for that SSAD offers, we have that here at Walter Murray for both boys and girls.
My highlight of my high school career probably was when the cross-country team won provincials.
Well, your heart gets going, and you get when you throw the jersey on, you look at everybody in the stands, and you're like, oh, let's go.
I'm here to talk about the amazing music programs we have here at Murray. We have everything from choir to band, guitar, and those are just like classes you can get credits for. For extracurriculars, we have things like musical, jazz band, show choir, and these are all amazing things that I've had the opportunity to be a part of for like the first 3 years of my high school experience. And I would say they helped me build such an amazing community of friends and peers that I can rely on and be creative with.
My name is Teresa, and I'm the rap worker here at Walter Murray Collegiate. That stands for the Restorative Action Program. We are lucky to be one of the only high schools on the east side to have this program in the building as a support to you. What my role is in the building is to work with students and for all students, either one-on-one, in groups, or in the classroom where I do presentations around conflict resolution and digital citizenship. And when I say digital citizenship, I'm here to teach you grade 8, soon to be grade 9s, on how to stay safe online. I know that with technology, there can be a lot of drama and life can get a little bit difficult around that. So if there's something interfering with your guys' academic success, I am an extra support in the building for you.
The Walter Murray Visual Art Department is a creative and safe place to practice skills like drawing with lots of mediums such as pencil, ink, oil pastel, painting tempera, acrylic, watercolor, and more. You will also be trying new things like metalsmith, clay, plaster, printmaking, and collage. You will learn skills to improve what you know and also learn completely new ones too. All skill levels are welcome. Art is a great way to relieve stress and have fun while learning from both classmates and instructors.
This is the dance studio. At Walter Murray, you have the option to take dance as an elective in grades 10, 11, and 12. It's a great way to get out of your desk, get moving, creating, and having fun. All skills and abilities are welcome.
This is our newly renovated commercial cooking labs. If in grade 9 you decide to take Sew and Home 9 or Grow and Home 9 as an elective, this will be where you get to cook and bake. I decided to take Sew and Home when I was in grade 9. It was just a wonderful experience. You learn such important life skills, and also who doesn't like to eat delicious treats that they make. If in your upper years you decide to take commercial cooking 10, 20, or 30, you can earn your food safety certificate and get an experience of working in a commercial cooking setting by cooking food for the cafeteria.
Hey future grade 9s, welcome to Walter Murray's Tech Hallway. Behind me here, we have the woodworking classroom. Woodworking is offered in grade 10, 11, and 12. Also, in grade 9, if you take tech, you get to also spend some time in here to make things like a die or even small shelves.
Walter Murray has a very strong drama stream where students of all skills and abilities get to express themselves in a very open space. These classes will oftentimes put on productions for the whole school to watch. As well, students can participate in One Acts, which is a province-wide competition where students get to direct and act in their own plays and compete against others.
In photography 10, 20, and 30, we explore the technical side of photography while exploring commercial, artistic, and experimental avenues of the digital and technical world.
Are you interested in making the world a better place? If so, you should join Youth Action Club. Youth Action Club is a student-led club that through events and informative campaigns seeks to create a better community. One of my favorite events is Coffee House. Coffee House is a yearly event that we put on at Walter Murray that showcases our talent as well as fundraisers for local organizations such as the Lighthouse and Saskatoon Food Bank.
Welcome to Walter Murray's Welding Lab. Welding is offered in grades 10, 11, and 12. This is a great class for anyone that's interested in trying out welding, as well as the fact that it can lead to future careers.
Hola, me llamo Señora Laverty y soy profesora de español en Walter Murray. Si no hablas español, no problema. Comenzamos con los básicos. Si eres estudiante de francés, la clase de español es muy fácil.
En la clase de español escuchamos la música.
En la clase de español bailamos.
En la clase de español estudiamos la cultura y tradiciones como Día de los Muertos.
En la clase de español jugamos juegos, creamos memes y miramos películas. Es una clase divertida y me gusta mucho.
Welcome to Walter Murray's Machining Lab. Machining is offered in grades 10, 11, and 12. Here you'll learn how to use lathes, mills, and you get to make fun stuff like this.
Walter Murray 高校へようこそ. Every year, we take 20 selected students to Japan for 2 weeks during the Easter break. You will have an opportunity to stay with a Japanese family as well as have a cultural tour around Tokyo and Kyoto. You are eligible to apply in grade 10.
This is Walter Murray's Electronics Lab. You can take electronics in grades 10, 11, and 12.
Well, herzlich willkommen zur Deutschklasse. In dieser Schule, at the school here, we offer German 10, 20, and 30. In German 10, we try to do a lot of conversation learning through games. We play Catan, we play role games. So the issue is just let's get talking German and understand just the basic German. That gives you the opportunity to travel, and that's why you should be learning any language just to go out and experience life in a different part of the world.
Now we're going to run into a lot of our great achievements with our academic success. I've been the principal here the last 6 years. I bet you we've had between $150,000 and $50,000 in scholarship money given out yearly. A lot of our students are going to some high, major institutions throughout Canada and the United States. So as I said, very proud, very gifted with that. So ultimately, at the end of the day, why do you want to come to Walter Murray? You want to come here because, you know what, we're such a diverse school, diverse population, where everyone respects and understands and gets along. It's amazing. And the second thing is the phenomenal teaching staff we have. We take great pride in what our staff does for students inside and outside the classroom. Hey, at the end of the day, Walter Murray is the place to be. Look forward to seeing you in 2022.
Welcome to Walter Murray's Auto Shop. Walter Murray is only one of 2 Saskatoon public schools that have an auto shop in their school. During auto, you'll be working on your own vehicles, as well as maybe even some teacher vehicles that they've brought for you to work on. You'll be working with car engines, as well as running diagnostics on every car that goes into our shop.
L'immersion français vous offre une occasion unique d'étudier une variété de sujets en français.
De plus, vous pouvez vous impliquer aux activités parascolaires comme les sports, les équipes de danse, le musical, les clubs et les voyages en France, exclusifs aux élèves d'immersion française.
Au niveau postsecondaire, les finissants en immersion reçoivent toutes sortes de bourses d'études pour aller aux institutions de leur choix, partout au Canada et au monde entier.
En l'immersion française à Walter Murray,
vous parlez français.
Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va très bien. Excellent. As-tu fait tes devoirs?
Bien sûr que oui.
Vous écrivez en français.
Vous lisez en français.
Vous écoutez en français.
Vous vous exprimez en français.
Voici mon anthologie. Au-dessus des nuages, il y a un monde différent. Dépeint dans les images créées par des enfants.
Vous calculez en français. Vous participez en français.
C'est quoi la réponse?
La réponse est simple.
Vous créez en français. Vous interprétez en français.
Vous jouez en français.
Vous chantez en français.
Je vais à Walter Murray pour faire mon affaire. Et quand je suis là, c'est spectaculaire.
Vous dansez en français. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Et finalement,
vous réussissez en français.
Bienvenue en immersion française à Walter Murray.
There's so many ways for you to get involved around the school, and the people at Murray are so accepting that you'll fit in right away.
I'm a marauder.
I'm a marauder.
I'm a marauder.
I'm a marauder. I'm a marauder.
I'm a marauder. I'm a marauder.
I'm a marauder.
I am a marauder.
I'm Megan Bidens, and I'm a marauder.
I'm Hubert Bidens, and I am a marauder.
Having that sense of community creates that family feel. So everybody that attends Walter Murray really feels like they're part of something bigger than themselves, and that's being a marauder.